Welcome to Currently Caffeinating. Today is Sunday, November the 10th, 2024. Today, I'm going to be checking out a new fast food restaurant called P. Terry's Burger Stand. There's one that opened up in the general area that I'm going to try out. One of my good buddies recommended it. He said he went to the one in Austin and it's really, really good. So shout out to him. Go check out his YouTube channel at hometech_pro. Also, after that, I'm going to do an unboxing of an item that I purchased at the Five Below store yesterday. It's a Diner Chrome Jukebox wireless speaker. So yeah, join me if you will. But first, I need to go get some coffee. Will you? And if you've been following this channel, you know that I did this Halloween tree. I'm going to keep the Halloween items on here until after Thanksgiving, and then I'll swap it out with the Christmas decorations. But I wanted to mention that yesterday when I went to the Five Below store, I found a couple of more Halloween ornaments. I got this Michael Myers and Chucky. Yeah, a little rainy this morning. So yeah, my buddy saw the video I did of going to eat at Portillo's, and he said, hey, you need to try out this P. Terry's place. He used to eat at the one in Austin, and he told me there is one that opened up in our area. So he said, you need to go try it out. So that's what I'm going to go do. Yesterday I came here and got my usual Punk Bunny coffee, but I did see they have this birthday cake cappuccino that I want to try out. So I'm going to get that today. Yeah, so this is my usual, but looky what we have here. Birthday cake cappuccino. I think I will. Alright, well I took a few sips of that cappuccino and I didn't really like it, so I dumped it out and got me the pumpkin spice latte. But I was reading up on this P. Terry's Burger Stand. It says Kathy and Patrick Terry opened their first P. Terry's on July 5th, 2005 at the corner of South Lamar and Barton Springs in Austin, Texas. It also says Patrick wanted to create a classic burger stand reminiscent of the famous Mac Epplins he grew up loving in Abilene, Texas. However, their mission gained a new dimension when Kathy read Fast Food Nation, inspiring them to focus even more on providing quality food and better service. And I was looking online at their menu, and the prices are really reasonable. They got burgers and chicken bites. The hamburger's $3. Cheeseburger's $3.55. The double cheeseburger's $5. Chicken burger $4.95. Crispy chicken burger $4.95, a veggie burger, and crispy chicken bites. And they have sides and desserts, french fries, banana bread, oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, and they also serve breakfast. Yeah, they also serve shakes and drinks, hand-spun milkshakes, lemonade, soft drinks, coffee, orange juice, milk. So yeah, ready to go get my grub on. So P. Terry's is about a 25-minute commute from where I live. Not too bad. Check this out. This looks pretty cool. P. Terry's. Check this out. I love the way this looks. It's got that old school look to it. Reminds me of the 50s and 60s. Not that I was alive then, but has that look to it. P. Terry's Burger Stand. Let's go inside and check it out. Here's an old picture. I guess this is the original P. Terry's. Enjoy real milkshakes. The menu. Alright, this is the drink station. Tea. Alright, so I'm sitting outside here. I got my fries, got my burger. I got the double cheeseburger combo meal. It came out to about $10.55 for a large. But yeah, I'm just really loving this throwback look to this place. Really digging this vibe. Yeah, the fries are really good. It says whole Idaho Burbank potatoes cut by hand in our kitchen. So yeah, P. Terry's is located at 9207 FM 723 Road in Richmond, Texas. I was speaking to the lady at the counter and she told me they opened about a month ago. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with. The double cheeseburger, the lettuce, tomatoes, and the special sauce. Alright, looks pretty good. So it is currently 78 degrees with a high of 83. It's a nice cool breeze blowing out here as I'm sitting out here. Really cool, really liking this place. Really good food here. Really enjoyed their burgers. I'll definitely be back. Worth the 25-minute commute. So really cool. Really like it. You know what? I think I'm going to go through the drive-thru and get me a vanilla shake to go. Why not? Drive-thru. They got an H-E-B over here. Welcome to P. Terry's. You're eating all fresh, all natural Angus beef. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Grilled cheese. Chicken bites. Here's the menu. I think I'll get me a regular vanilla milkshake.
Hi, welcome back to P. Terry's. What can I get started for you today?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a regular vanilla milkshake.
Okay, anything else for you today, sir?
That'll be it.
309 is your total. Please go forward.
All right, thank you. Ooh, they have some gear over here. Caps, t-shirts, bandanas. Available at pterrys.com. Like I mentioned earlier, they do have breakfast. Enjoy breakfast served until 11 a.m. So yeah, I just really love the way this place looks. It's got that 50s, 60s vibe to it. All natural, fresh, hand-cut fries. Prepared right here. Caution, burger runner. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Maybe. This is a really good shake. P. Terry's. Yeah, I gotta hand it to my buddy. He wasn't wrong on this one. Really love it. I'll definitely be back for sure. Alright, so again, P. Terry's was delicious. I highly recommend it. I'll definitely go back. Shout out again to my buddy. Check out his YouTube channel at hometech_pro. And to fit in with the theme, more or less, how P. Terry's had that 50s, 60s vibe to it. This is what I got yesterday at the Five Below store. This Diner Chrome Jukebox wireless speaker for 20 bucks. So let's open her up. All right, this is what we're dealing with. I think it looks pretty cool. So you'd flip this over. They got, I guess there's supposed to be songs on here. I don't know. Rocket Ship Man, Roxana, Easy Come, Easy Go, Love Snack. And not sure what this is for. Got some buttons over here. These don't really do anything. Speaker on the back. According to the instruction manual, it says it includes FM radio. I wasn't aware of that. Alright, it's got the connection on the back here. Plug it into this and get it powered up. And so the three different buttons here. This one's the power button in the middle. So it says to press the power button twice to switch between Bluetooth and FM mode. Alright, so if I hold it down.
Bluetooth mode.
And I just gotta connect the Diner Jukebox to my Bluetooth.
Connected.
And since I can't play any music because of the copyright laws, I'll play one of my recent videos I did on YouTube and see how it sounds. Getting some go-go juice for the old vehicle. $2.49. Then going inside to get some go-go juice for myself. Turning up the volume. Punk Bunny. This is my go-to coffee. Oh, check this out. They got birthday cake cappuccino. And pumpkin spice latte. Might have to try that next time. Not that long ago in my area. Yeah, so the speaker sounds really good. It gets really loud. I just wish it lit up, but it doesn't. Check that out. Also today, rose 68 degrees right now. So the sound quality sounds really good. It gets really loud. I'm surprised. I didn't think it would be that loud, but it does get really loud once I turn up the volume on my phone. Made it to Portillo's, hot dogs, beef, burgers, and salads. So yeah, it gets really loud. Open at 10 a.m. 52. So pretty cool for 20 bucks. I don't know if they get really busy, so got here early, just waiting for them to open. Alright, so it says if I push the power button twice, it should switch to FM radio.
FM mode.
I just need to figure out how to turn the station. Let's see. Alright, so it says if you press it again, it'll find the nearest station.
In our longer text of Genesis,
so it sounds pretty good on the radio stations. I think if you hold the top or bottom, it raises the volume and lowers the volume. So let me see.
What was unquestionably wrong was answered with another deadly wrong. But when we expect that God will bring a complete destruction on these people, He comes with mercy.
So it is scanning through the radio stations right now. So it sounds really good. It's really loud. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm really surprised at the sound. It's really loud. It sounds really good. Yeah, the only thing is I just wish it would light up. That would be cool, but yeah, this doesn't do anything. This just flips those back and forth, and your controls are right there. So it's pretty simple. You can switch from Bluetooth to FM radio, which I didn't even realize it had FM radio on it. So it's pretty neat. Alright, well that's going to do it for my video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be safe, be kind, and stay caffeinated.